Welcome back, my friends. I hope everybody's having a great day today. Today we're going to do another product review. I have a Chefman Electric Kettle. It's a 1.7 liter kettle. Pretty good size. Good photo of it there. So I think let's get into it, see what we got. 20% coupon off of an air fryer, a Chefman air fryer. How to take care of it, and then of course your owner's manual. All right, guys. All right, this looks like the heating element of it. Electrical cord, always good. That's what it looks like. Kind of plasticky, but we'll see how it works. All right. Wow, what a pot! I wasn't expecting that big. But hey, let's see what we got. Lid comes off, so you can pour water in, or pour water. This floats back and forth. This piece here allows you to pour water in without taking the top off. That's nice. Okay. On and off switch. Glass bottom. And there. Alright, well let's see about filling it up and doing a test run on it, see how it does. Pour some water into it. That's at maximum level, 1.7 liters. That's as high as they'll let you go on it. Alright guys, so, tell you what, let's see how long it takes to heat up the water. I got my phone, will do a time on it. Okay, so I'll turn that on and turn my my timer on. We'll see how long it takes to boil. I love the light. Has a blue look to it. Apparently the heating element is inside the bottom of the glass, and you're just putting it on the electrical connection for the pot to sit on and be held. Alrighty, 30 seconds into it and I'm seeing bubbles coming up. That's pretty quick. We'll see how long it takes. I may fast forward through all this. We'll sit here and we'll watch it heat up until it shuts off. I really like the size of it. You can make tea, hot cocoa, all kinds of stuff. Instant oatmeal, I'm sure. It's going to get to boiling. A 1.7 liter, we filled it to the max. We're coming on to the 2-minute warning now. Huh. It looks like it has a minimum that you can put in there, a 0.5 liter minimum. You play anything lower than that, the glass will get really hot and might crack. I would assume. 4 minutes and 30 seconds. Looks like it's picking up a little bit of steam there. Might be a 5 minute, hopefully. And like I said, that's a lot of water to be heating up in a short period of time. But it's sure doing pretty good. Starting to really pick up pace now. We're going on the 5 minute mark right now. We're in 5 minutes. We're at 6 minutes. I hear it making a little sound now. Well, this might be close to 8 minute boil, 10 minute boil. .30, 6 minutes and 30 seconds. I'm starting to hear a lot of noise from it. I don't know if you can hear it picking up sound. We're at 7 minutes. Seven minutes and 30 seconds. Coming on at 9 minutes. The owner's manual, basically safety instruction, features, operation, cleaning and maintenance, and warranty. Pretty short and sweet on that. We are 10 minutes and 20 seconds. Longer than I thought it would take. But now this is a large one. They do make them smaller. I saw those, but I kind of wanted the large one. For doing the teas, instant coffee, that kind of stuff, hot chocolate. We are at 11 minute boil. Alright, now we've got some boiling action starting to come up. .11 minutes and 40 seconds. That's really picking up steam now. We are at a 12 minute boil, and it's kicking right now. It's fixing to shut off in just a few minutes. Bam. 12 minutes and 10 seconds. And there you got piping hot water for your coffees, your cocos. Yeah, I've got a cup here. Electrical cord pulled it off. Alright, nice and hot. That does. It's got nice hot water, cocoa, tea, coffee, everything you need right there. A nice sized pot too. I really like that. Alright guys, that's it for the product review. I hope it was educational. A little longer than I wanted it to be, but hey, it is. I want to see how long it took to boil down, and we're looking at 12 minute boil. That's pretty good for that size of pot, I guess. Alright, thank you for watching. Good to see you guys. Check out my next video. We'll try to do something else. Maybe a food product or something. Alright guys, have a great night. And We'll see you on the flip side.